Okay, we made it just in time. It is 5:30 on the dot. Not late. Mike can't be mad. Kids have had many a snack.
It's actually 5:33.
No, I leave my clock fast in my truck, so I'm never late. But here we are. We're at Rust Bros. We are gonna be pulling out the Chevy. And I see the crane right there. This looks like it's going to be an exciting evening. I was with Mike when he bought that. Really? The D half.
Perfect size.
It's perfect size for you, buddy. You should get it for our yard.
Yeah.
Are you ready for this?
No.
Hey, you offered. Fair enough. I'll supply the water. You're here. We just pulled the pole.
Were you rolling around in the dirt?
No, I was scaling all day.
Oh, okay.
Hey guys,
Hi. I brought the team.
there you go.
Hi, Vinky.
I got my team. Heavy lift.
I'm not a very good cameraman, okay?
This guy knows what the fuck he's doing. You know what we don't.
Okay, so we were at Rust Bros. So this is our cameraman, our second cameraman. Camera girl. This is my mom.
This is Mom's truck.
Yep, this is Mom's truck. That one right there, pointing at it right there. I'm standing on a char. There is a tire graveyard, truck graveyard and stuff. We're getting that truck for parts. That crane. Yeah, that crane thing right there is gonna pick up that.
Mom's truck.
Yeah, Mom's truck. Mom, your truck is gonna get picked up by that thing right there.
And it's gonna be fun.
Mom, can I put in 0.5? Yeah. This is gonna be awesome. Oh yeah. Oh, it's going so high. I'm excited. This is gonna be awesome.
Oh my god, it's gonna go right there.
Mom,
Are we too close? I feel like we're too close.
No, it's once he gets closer, and then he gets it hooked up, then we'll see. He's the guy. He knows where people can stand and they can't. He knows where that hook is gonna go if anything goes wrong. Okay. But if he feels like we need to move you guys, we'll move you guys. You're fine for now.
okay, so apparently I can't go past. That was not me. It's not me. Okay, maybe it is. This is our cameraman, camera woman. That
You've been filming 3 times, 3 videos.
no, one video. Anyways, this thing, this mountain right here, right around here, fell. A giant rock fell on one of these cars. I don't know which one it is. Probably that one.
3 times.
Anyways,
It's like just enough room.
there's another cameraman.
Are you having fun,
Mom.
Rachel?
I'm always having
Nice.
There's another cameraman right there.
Do you think
I'm
this
just
is gonna
spotting
go
out our
smoothly,
camera.
or are we crazy?
And I know that you're not invincible, so not invincible.
Yeah. Well, I mean, the fact that
That-
we're all here together kind of.
That is the crane.
Yeah, there is. There's
Okay, I'll be quiet now.
definitely one professional here, and that would be the owner of Curb Share Trade to the camera.
What do you have to say for this? Are you excited?
He's the only reason I have faith this is going to happen.
Why? Just why? What? It's going higher.
Blair can do this truck in how many days?
Well, I'm doing it with them.
Yeah.
I'll be here.
Yeah, that's going to get it set up, taxi place, and the pieces fab.
I'll take it home and I'll do all the bells. Like, I'll do all the bells.
Yeah. Well, he was saying 4 days.
I'm gonna see if this is.
But then I said I'd be done.
Sorry, this is gonna go on my mom's YouTube. Actually, probably not.
Good.
But
Even have a traffic.
hopefully it does.
But the cab's about to get picked up. We're supposed to be
There we go.
driving on 60.
That better? Can you see better? Let me try again. Hold on. You guys might want to see this. It's going so high. That's crazy how high it's going.
Oh, look at that. Jason came over, he untook the shackle out, fits it through, okay. I feel a lot safer.
Nope, don't stand up there, Lyle.
On camera and you're a professional. Dump truck driver. It's got a big winch on the back. Yeah. Nicely done.
This is going to be my mom's car. It's going to be my mom's car.
Nice job, kid.
Mom.
Okay, don't stand on those tires, Lyle. You're gonna fall. Stand on things that are sturdy and attached to something.
Okay, when it starts to go up, everybody just
We'll get out of the way.
Step away from the truck, right? You don't need any. Not that there's gonna be, but.
No, it's gonna be smooth sailing.
Lincoln, he went under the truck.
Nicholas, it's gonna go work out well.
Yes.
Here we go.
Going
All
up.
right.
Yes. That's not stable. Okay. I got to get down. Oh. The mace.
Not his first rodeo. Hang on, I missed that. Watch Jason do that.
He called it a rodeo. It's called a rodeo. Anybody agrees? Oh. I gotta go back there. Anybody agrees with me? Agrees with him? And either way. Okay, bye.
Hey, you might want to boom up a bit. Going forward. Talk to you a little bit, guys. There we go. Jesus, going up, going up, going up, going. Yeah. Hey, look at that, a flying truck. Yeah, let's all get cocky. Throw over some of my nice ones. Go ahead, leave it to your help. I'll get around on this side. All right, Rachel, how excited are you?
I'm so excited. This means We're one step closer.
Junkyard resurrection. It's literally flying in the heavens. This bike has a massive, massive jammer because it's anywhere near a Mopar. Junkyard resurrection. It's literally flying in the heavens. This bike has a massive, massive jammer because it's anywhere near a Mopar. Well done! Nicely done, sir. There we go.
So you're not here this week then, Mike?
No.
Okay.
I leave at 5:30.
Although-
Cassidy wants to come
Okay,
on Friday.
9 tomorrow?
Yep. Yeah, because
My hands are full.
they're taking this one
I didn't get any pictures.
and that one and stretching that one 22.5 inches. Okay.
Are
I
you
get it.
still at Doug's? Okay, I'll be here at 7:45.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I can be here early on all the other days, but
Yeah,
tomorrow I
yeah,
just
yeah.
have to get them off school,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then, yeah.
Should we stomp out all the tracks?
No.
No, somebody
yeah,
shows
yeah.
up in the morning. How'd that get there?
He knows. I told him. I'm going to send him a video of it. Fucking,
Oh, that's no fun.
it's good. Oh, there, fuck, I'm going to put this away before it walks off.
Double check that that GoPro that was on the hook. 'Cause-
Actually, please take it.
Okay, thanks guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Yeah, because if I want to put the fence back up, I can pick it with my skid steer, right? I just don't feel like it, because now I got to slice the wire. Nobody will see. Nobody drives out to this side, right? No.
Piece of rebar in there and just pull her tight.
Watch where you're walking, buddy. There's a big hole.
Yeah, we'd lose you right down there.
I just don't.
Well, you had to rip a post out, Jesus.
I am too old to fucking. You have to go register.
We did it.
I'm tired.
You tired now? Wore you out?
Whenever I sneeze, it hurts.
Okay, yeah.
I think she wants to come and help, so whatever, it'll be good.
Yeah.
Blair and two young girls, fucking, oh yeah, fuck.
He's
Life
gonna be
is
so
hard.
sad, yeah.
Yeah, I know, he's gonna be so sad.
I like that you just called me young though, so
Yes.
that's really nice.
I'm 67, Rachel.
I'm 40 this year.
Well, that's the fuck, you're young. You're young. Fuck, 40's the new 30.
It is, yeah. I'm down for
70's the
that.
new 60.
You're all done. Okay, we finished it. We finished getting the truck out at Rust Bros, and now for all my children's hard work, I have promised them a nice meal. So here we are with our weird faces at Timber Farm to Table, and we are all so hungry. So we're all excited to get going on this truck, right? You're excited to ride to school and nothing?
Yeah.
You?
You don't drive us to school.
Yes, I do. Oh yeah,
Not
one day.
anymore.
Sonny, ride your bike